Hey guys, it's Mrs. Schmidt. I wanted to give you a short little video to make sure you know where to go to find our online lessons moving forward. Okay, so in D2L, under content, you know that we have our class lessons and notes option. I am putting new submodules in. This one's going to say Tuesday, March 24th, which is technically our first online class. Okay. And then under there, I will put all of your notes. I am going to be recording videos just as if I was in class going with you through these notes click by click. I'll be doing the same thing via these little videos. Okay. The course, that's my cat Fletch if you hear him meowing. Under course activities and assignments, you'll still find your D2L drop boxes. We will still have assignments that you'll be responsible for. Okay, so nothing really has changed except for the fact that instead of face-to-face, I'll be doing all of these things via videos. Feel free to email me anytime and I will answer any questions. If you're having a problem with a lesson or with something going on with your project, if you could screenshot what your problem is, it'd be easier for me to diagnose it over the email or internet or discussion boards. Okay, so if you have any questions about what's going on here, you let me know, and by Tuesday you will have an online lesson and some videos and some notes to look through and a couple of lessons. Okay, so please make sure you're checking these emails and checking your calendar. Okay, we want to move forward as best as we can so that we don't end up having to extend the semester any further. All right, guys, see y'all soon, kind of.